How to set up Monday.com for meetings. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a new board in Monday.com dedicated to meetings. Click the plus button on your dashboard and select New Board. Name it something relevant, like team meetings or project discussions. 2. Add relevant columns to structure your meeting agenda. Include columns for topics, assigned speakers, meeting date, status updates, and follow-up actions to ensure clear tracking. 3. Use the Meeting Notes column to document key points discussed during each meeting. You can add detailed notes, attach files, and even tag team members to highlight important action items. 4th, set up an automation to send reminders before meetings. Click on Automate, choose a trigger like Meeting Date Approaching, and configure it to send email or platform notifications to participants. 5. Integrate your calendar for seamless scheduling. Go to Integrations. Select Google Calendar or Outlook, and sync your Monday.com meetings with your team's calendar for better coordination. 6. Assign action items to team members directly within the meeting board. Use the Owner column to designate responsibility and set due dates to ensure follow-ups are completed on time. 7. Finally, use Monday.com's dashboard feature to visualize meeting insights. Track attendance, review discussion trends, and analyze the effectiveness of your meetings through charts and progress indicators.